Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Okay. Let me get your opinion.
Yes, ma'am.
We just got this week a new door and new door locks.
Okay.
So I messed up, but this has a lock here and a lock here.
Okay.
But the door I locked myself out of, which is the back door,
Okay.
the deadbolt is not locked.
Okay.
Just the doorknob thing. So would that be the one easier for you to break into?
Yeah, let me take a look. Do you have any proof that this is your house? Any bill? I just need to verify.
Inside.
Inside, yeah.
My purse is right there on the counter inside.
Want
Perfect.
driver's license?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's inside. Oh, he has his driver's license.
Okay, cool, perfect.
100 degrees.
There you go.
I think he's got it.
Yeah. So you just come.
Cat
Mm-hmm.
in the bedroom. Okay, baby. Come on.
There's your keys
Yes.
on the floor.
my
Yeah.
keys on. Oh,
You have to train him to open the doors.
I know. Here's a water for you.
Thank you. Is that okay for you guys if we post the video for the service on the YouTube channel?
You're not using our name and address,
No,
right?
no. It's just the video.
What you did in there.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thanks.